I'm really starting to like that hood on that C8. I think from this angle, like I think it just fits the car perfectly. I think that looks really sharp. I'm starting to like that hood more and more the more I look at it. And then there's a TRX, which I'll be working on today. So today I will be installing a new bed step on my truck. This particular truck is a 2022 Ram TRX. So this one's aluminum with a powder coated finish, and I like how the tread matches the existing bumper. It looks like a really nice solid piece. Lovey, lovey. Alright, so here's the basic instructions. I think I've seen enough videos on YouTube that I could probably do it without these instructions. Hey buddy. And it's a really nice quality piece. Like, it's aluminum, it's powder coated, and the pattern on the step matches the factory, so that's nice. Like, and it's pretty heavy. Alright, so first step is remove those two bolts. Okay, you're gonna need an extension, about a 4-inch. And you're gonna need a breaker bar. That's on there again. Alright, and then so this piece is gonna kind of hook onto this hole up there. So let's see. Okay, so I managed to get the holes lined up, and I actually found it was easier if I extend the step and then kind of put it in place. It's a bit of a puzzle, and there's that wire harness that the instructions and every video on YouTube says you should disconnect, but I didn't disconnect it. I just removed it from this clip and I just pushed it out of my way. This is not that easy to remove, and why take a risk of damaging the connection when you can just pop that clip out and move this out of the way. There's those two 21mm bolts. So I've got it all lined up. Go ahead and tighten. So I have two of those factory bolts installed. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in this additional bolt that's provided with the bed step. This right here is where this guy's going to go. Alright, so there's a nut in the back, that's a 21, and the bolt on the front, that's an 18. Finally, I can go ahead and torque down those two factory 21mm bolts. So like I said, the instructions call to disconnect this harness, but I didn't do that. I just popped it out of here, so I'm just gonna put that back. So my tip, there's no need to disconnect this. You just pull it out of this clip and push it out of the way, and that's it. Okay, so the install is complete. Let's go ahead and give it a try. So nice. And when you're done, just tuck it in. It's nice and hidden, right? If you need it, just pull it out. Just step on it. Pretty solid. When you're done, just kind of kick it in. It's got a lot of force. Huh? About 20.5 inches, 38 inches. So that's a nice height, right? Basically, whenever you need it, just step here, grab here, just step up. Easy, huh? So the install is done, and I really like how it looks really discreet. You don't even see it. Right, it just pops out just a little bit right here. Just pull it down, comes right out, and then when you're done, just push it straight, just like that. And the install was very easy. I'd say that probably took me 20 minutes. That's it. Hold on. Very nice. Alright. Last thing I'm going to do is hit it up with some fluid film. This is going to help prevent rust and keep the parts moving nice and smooth. So I'm very happy with it. I found the install was extremely easy. Literally took me about half an hour, I would say, to put everything together. And I like how barely can see it. It just sticks out just a little bit right here. Just enough for you to get your foot on it. When you need to step on it. And then when you're done, you can just push that away. So overall, I think I'm really happy with this product. I mean, for a third of what you would pay for the factory piece. It looks just like it, functions just like it. It's a really good quality, solid piece. Only time will tell how durable it is. My only concern is rust. I bought aftermarket pieces before, such as side steps, and they tend to rust out. But this one is supposed to be aluminum and it's powder coated, so it shouldn't rust. Well, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I hope that helps some of you that are looking for options to make it easier to get into the bed of your truck, especially the Ram TRX, which does sit a bit higher than regular 1500s. So getting in and out of the back of the TRX is not as easy as a regular trucks. Okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.